Okay, welcome to the demo of our fully rebuilt Bridgeport milling machine. This one's got the variable speed head, 42-inch table, and it's currently got a 2-axis DRO system, but it's shortly going to be upgraded to 4-axis in the price. So this one's had the full stripped down service, regrind to the X, Y and Z axes. The top of the table and the two sides have all been reground as well. So a brand new power feed on the X axis. The main variable speed head has had all new belts, lots of new parts in there, pulleys, bearings, everything, so all new bearings. Brand new bearings, match pair, super precision bearings in the spindle, and loads of new parts. There's so many new parts we can't even describe them all. So let's go through it and show you the machine running now, and then please feel free to come down and see it for yourself in real life. So brand new lead screws throughout, on the X, Y and the Z, and nuts of course. Lovely and smooth all the way across, almost no backlash at all, as it should be. Same with the knee, lovely and smooth there. Brand new bearings in the knee of course, they always need replacing. All the locks have been serviced, so the X, the Y and the knee all been serviced and working as they should, all spot on. It's a brand new control box on this one, so that's all good. Okay, so let's power up the X-axis power feed here. So that's one of the slowest feed rates. You should be able to see it moving on the screen. Rapid override. Take your finger off, it goes back to the feed rate that you set previously. And the other way. And spot on both directions. There's a 1-year warranty of course on the brand new power feed. So moving on, let's test the variable speed head and the quill. So we're currently in high range on the gear on the side there. So we're going to fire up, and that's running around 500 RPM. So it's going all the way up. There's 1,000, 1,800, all the way up to 280. Back down to 1,600. I'll do reverse now. And reverse going up, that's reverse, on up to 2,900, back down to 1,800, 1,000, and all the way back down to 500 again. So let's just test the low range now. So as I turn it off, I'm going to hit the brake just to show you it does work. There's the brake. Obviously you only use the brake when you're taking the tool out, so it's not there to slow the spindle down, it slows down just fast enough on its own. So to change from high, what we're in now, to low range, you just push this handle in, move it all the way around to the back, and then make sure it's locked in before you fire up. Okay, just as quiet in low range. There's 120. All the way up to 2,000 sorry, 350 RPM. And reverse now. I can't go above 3,000 RPM. I know I'm quoting the high range, we're actually in the low. But there's a speed limitation which applies because we've got the quilling gauge. And to be honest, you wouldn't go into the red range in the Bridgeport anyway, generally. Right, 70 RPM, 60 RPM, there we go, lovely, quiet and smooth. Turn it off, brake just to show you it's working, and then back to high range. Okay, neutral is present, there's a notch there for neutral, that's all present and working. And we'll lock it into high, make sure we're locked in, then we fire up. I'll make it go a bit faster for when we're testing the quill. There's 1,100 RPM. So remember the quill won't engage if it's all the way at the top or all the way at the bottom. The whole thing needs to lift, like this. Okay, so engage the quill, it's actually going up, so I'm going to reverse. There we go. So for every spindle speed you've got 3 different feed rates. That's the highest, that's the slowest, that's to medium down the bottom there, all working as they should. Back to high. Working actually great. So you can turn it off with 2 fingers as you should be able to. And let it trip out automatically. So it all turns off as it should. Again, just come off the stop. Just give it a bit of an air gap there before you make sure before you go the other way. Feeds up as it should. There we go. All working spot on. So all the way up to the top and put the spindle lock on. It's locked on as it should. So even though the spindle lock's on, we can still reposition the quick position handle, like so. And it's all working good. Okay, so the machine is going to have a guard added. It's already got the LED light. And it's going to have a quill scale added there and a knee scale added there, all in with the price. Thanks for watching.